You are welcome to the long-awaited training session called Website Design. I just want to welcome everybody wherever you are coming from, any part of the world, which country you are coming from. And I want to assure you that this basic skill that you are going to learn will build you and will help you. Some of you, it will be a skill that will generate money for you. And so this is a free session. It is going to be a 5-day free session of website design. So in this session, we are going to look at the basics involved in website design. This course is an easy learn course. That means it's very easy to learn. Anybody can get this knowledge. And so it's brought to you by Cora Graphics, a digital product and training and marketing company. And we create easy learn products that are easy for your learning, especially in digital marketing. So in this course, these are the things that we are going to look at. These are the areas that we'll look at. We will look at the definitions, such as what a website is, what's the meaning of website design, and what's the meaning of website designing. You must get the understanding. Secondly, we'll look at the basic terms in website design. We'll come to understand some terms like the web, a web page, a web browser, a domain, a host, and so on. Thirdly, we'll look at why you need to design a website, or why you need a website. Fourthly, we'll look at the types of websites that we have available. And then finally, we'll look at the basic blocks in designing a website. The basic blocks, mainly the domain name, the hosting, and then the content, which is called the CMS, Content Management System. So I know you are going to benefit from this course. Thank you very much.